At least 8 people, including 3 railway employees, have been killed and about 50 others have sustained injury in a train collision that took place at Rangapani region near New Jalpaiguri station in North Bengal today. Kanchanjunga Express, which was heading towards Shialdah in West Bengal from Assam's Silchar, was hit from behind by a goods train. 3 coaches of Kanchanjunga Express were derailed in the crash. The driver and the assistant of the goods train were among the casualties, while the injured persons have been taken to nearby hospital for treatment. Terming the accident as unfortunate, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav added that the ministry will give compensation of rupees 10 lakh each to the families of the victims, 2.5 lakh rupees for grievous injuries and 50,000 rupees for minor injuries.